Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the ATS Infinity EA on MetaTrader 5, and I'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down how it is structured, what the system is designed to do, and then reviewing the historical backtesting to understand its behavior. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is ATS Infinity EA developed by Ruslan Pishon. It's currently priced at 59 US dollars with version 3.29 updated in June 2023 and 10 activations available. From the listing information, I can confirm this EA supports both MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5. So in this review, I'll be referring to both MT4 and MT5. Now, looking at the description, the ATS Infinity for MT4 and MT5, although I am actually, I'm going to be testing it on MT5, for the purpose of this video. All right. But the EA is presented as a long-term trading system that operates across multiple currency pairs. It is designed to run on a basket of 9 core pairs, and it uses a combination of different trading approaches, including trend-based and counter-trend logic, depending on market conditions. One important point mentioned is that the system includes a smart adaptive profit-taking filter. While the exact internal mechanics aren't fully detailed, this suggests that the EA adjusts how it manages exits depending on ongoing market behavior, rather than using a fixed take profit structure. Moving further down, the EA is described as being optimized across multiple currency pairs and time frames at the same time. That tells me the system is not limited to a single setup, but instead designed to operate in a broader multi-market environment. Another key component is the built-in economic news filter. This means the EA is aware of high-impact events and can adjust trading activity around major news releases, which is important for avoiding unstable market conditions. The developer also clearly states that there is no martingale, no grid, and no other high-risk recovery strategies involved. So the structure appears to focus more on controlled risk behavior rather than aggressive scaling systems. Now, looking at the supported time frames, the EA is designed across, is designed differently across platforms. On MT4, it uses M5 to H1, while on MT5, it expands much further, ranging from very low time frames like M2 and M3 all the way up to H1 and even higher time frames like H2 and H3. This indicates a flexible multi-time frame approach depending on platform version. Before we go into the backtesting, it's also important to note the requirements. The EA is designed to run from a single chart, and it manages multiple currency pairs internally from that one chart. There are also specific setup requirements like enabling web requests, URLs, using hedging accounts, and ensuring proper magic number separation if multiple EAs are used. Now let's move into the historical backtesting section and review how this system behaves over time. When analyzing historical testing performance, I'm focusing on how the EA behaves across different market conditions rather than just the final outcome. Since this is a multi-currency system, the interaction between different pairs and time frames becomes especially important. All right, so the EA is designed to trade a basket of pairs, including majors, crosses, and some commodity related pairs. Because of this, I'm looking at whether performance appears consistent across different phases of the market or whether it reacts differently depending on the volatility, and correlation between pairs. Anyways, let's just head over to our strategy tester, and I'm testing the ATS Infinity on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we're using the last ping to the server for our delays every tick modeling. All right, So as we can see, the results that we have here show that no trade was taken. I'm just going to check the journal real quick, and I can't exactly find, the particular reason for no trade being taken during the course of the back testing. Okay, but quickly, I'm just going to turn on the visual mode so that we can see the EA in action. All right. So the documentation that we already have access to based on the information from the MQL5 Marketplace page, there is mention of, a multi-currency backtest mode in MetaTrader 5, which is important because it allows the system to simulate how multiple instruments interact during historical analysis rather than testing a single chart in isolation. Another detail worth noting is the use of economic news filtering. In backtesting, this will influence trade timing around major events. So I'm paying attention to any visible pauses or reductions in activity during high impact periods. Based on the information we see in this dashboard here, there is the server, the leverage, the status, working time, off EA on Friday. Okay, that's if you want it on or off. Then we have the balance, the equity, the free margin, the current lot, buy and sell, profit, current, profit day, profit week, profit month, profit year, positions for month and year, deals, buy and sell, symbols, and then comment. Okay, so we are testing it on Euro USD, and you can see the EA active. So as always, I treat these as historical backtest results only. Real trading outcomes can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, and user configuration choices such as fixed lot or custom risk mode. From a behavior perspective, what stands out is that the system appears to be structured around diversification across multiple pairs, combined with adaptive trade management and filtered entry conditions rather than a single fixed strategy. All right. Let's just also quickly look at the backtest results that we have here on the MQL5 Marketplace page. So here from 2012 to 2018, we can see that total trades taken this was 1st January 2012 to 1st September 2018. Total trades taken were 2,871. Short trades were 1,380 with 91.23% win rate. Long trades were 1,491 with 91.28% win rate. The largest profit was 26.89. Largest loss 42.24. The average profit was 5.4 and the average loss was 9.63. So this tells me if you are judging from the average profit and average loss, what it means is that the overall average risk to reward ratio is not really very good, but the win rate is excellent. The win rate is excellent, and that was probably one of the main contributing factors to the profit that we have here. From initial deposit of $2,000, the total net profit here is 11,733.95. And we can see here the symbols are nine symbols. All right. So overall, the ATS Infinity EA for MT4 and MT5 is presented as a multi-currency, multi-time frame trading system that combines trend and counter trend logic with adaptive profit taking and risk filtering features. It is designed for broader market coverage rather than a single pair setup. As always, I will recommend running longer term testing and experimenting with the multi-currency settings to fully understand how it performs across different market environments before considering any live application. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.